everyone, Shanta here. Hope you guys are having a great day. So I am here to share with you guys my submission for Saturday Morning Challenge of Friends. Joyce Channel will be linked in the description bar below. So this time we decided to kill another 6x6 pad. We can do 24 or 36. And we had to make a box, a square card, and an album. So this is the collection and some embellishments with the scraps. Here is the collection that I used, that I just picked up from Tuesday morning. Okay. And what I did was I hadn't used my silhouette in, oh my goodness, in so long. So I wanted to get back re-familiar with the silhouette software. I do have the business edition, so I used my silhouette for everything. All right, so let me jump right in. These are the scraps. That's it that I had left. I'm not finna try to, I don't even need no suggestion on what to do with this, because it's going in the garbage. All right, so first up is my box. All the embellishments, everything, like I said, was did with the silhouette software. This is the size of my box. And I just put on here So Chic. I did have a 12x12 to go with this also, but I didn't want to cheat, so I just did everything with the silhouette. That's the little dress from the silhouette. All of those. And then the box just opened like this. And then this is a small album by Whitlock. I am leaving to go out of town. If you want to know in the file numbers, just let me know. Once I get back in town, I'll list them for you. But I'm recording this video early, so it'll be ready to go because I won't be near a computer when I'm out of town. So here is this mini album. Is like a 4x4, I think. Yeah, 4x4 album. And again, I just used the same thing. I had cut the original one too big, and that's why I put it on the box. And because I'm relearning the software, I didn't try to resize anything. I just went with whatever it was. This is the size that it came in, and that's what I went with. So here we go. And on the inside, all I did was just mat the pages with the paper, because this album is so small. Really don't only have room for like the 2x3 photos. And this is the back. And then I just added this twine. It's already secured, glued at the spine, but I just added this for the holes. So I love the way everything turned out. And then, I'm trying to see why my box won't go. Okay. And then here is my card. Now this card has a belly band on it. It's a 4x4. Yeah, it's a 4x4 card too. It has a belly band. These are some more of the embellishments that I made on the front, the dress and the hey there. And it just opens like this. And then the card opens like that. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, I just love it. So that is so cute. Little hey there card. Okay, and then these are some of the embellishments that I made. And like I said, you see the same little dress on all pieces, but I made some other things. This is one of the embellishments. I made 4. I used one on something else. That's that. I made these little dresses. Then we have, some dress forms. They getting caught at the little feet. When I tell you it is raining here, like I don't know what. This one. And then I made this. I was going to use it on some, but I didn't. And then we have purses. Oh, wait a minute. Here's another little mini dress. That'll go perfect on like a 3x3 or something. Then we have some purses that I cut out. These right here. And then I cut out these little small ones right here. And I backed them all with the cardstock that I made with everything else so that it'll be sturdy. And then I cut out 2 bows. I was going to use these and didn't. These bows came in a file together, so I cut those out. And then because this stuff is small, I still had paper left. So Tiffany, who is crafting like a boss McGill, she do a weekly thing for her Facebook group, and she showed this album that she made. So I used the extra papers and made this. And these are some of the embellishments as well. That's the other dress form. That's the dress. These are Prima. I did use these flowers from Prima. And so this how the belly band looks that goes on the album. And this is made to hold those sprocket pictures 2x3. So you open it up. So simple and easy to make. Here's the second one. And I ran out of paper, as you can see. So I paper pieced the insides. I paper pieced them because I ran out of paper. But I love this. This would make a great, like, a little Christmas gift. And a little gift because it's small and then it can hold a little small photos. So this was the bonus project that I made. And her channel is Tiffany is Crafting Like a Boss McGill here on the YouTube as well. All right, you guys. I know Joyce did some amazing things. I can't wait to see her video. I am off, like I said, to leave so I can go out of town. You guys have a blessed day. Like I said, if you have any questions, just let me know. Once I get back in town, I'll answer them for you. All right. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.